For many Foley homeowners, safety, comfort, and accessibility are top priorities when it comes to bathroom design. Walk-in tubs have become a popular solution, especially for seniors or those with mobility challenges, thanks to their easy entry and built-in safety features. But what if your home has a smaller bathroom or limited space? The good news is that walk-in tub installation in Foley is entirely possible, even in compact bathrooms. With smart design and professional installation, walk-in tubs can provide luxury and convenience without overwhelming your space. Why walk-in tubs are a smart choice? Unlike traditional bathtubs, walk-in tubs feature low entry threshold and a watertight door that allows you to step in easily without climbing over high sides. Many models also include built-in seating for safe, comfortable bathing, non-slip flooring to reduce fall risks, grab bars for added stability, hydrotherapy jets for soothing muscle and joint relief. These features make walk-in tubs especially appealing for Foley homeowners who want both safety and spa-like comfort. Designed for smaller bathrooms, one common concern homeowners have is whether a walk-in tub will fit into their existing bathroom. Thankfully, manufacturers now design walk-in tubs in a variety of compact sizes to suit smaller spaces. Narrow models. Some tubs are specifically designed to fit into the footprint of a standard shower or small alcove. Deep soak options. Even compact tubs can provide a relaxing, full-body soak thanks to their depth. Custom fits. Professional installers can recommend tubs that maximize space without sacrificing comfort. This flexibility makes walk-in tub installation in Foley homes with limited bathroom space not only possible but practical. Maximizing space during installation. Professional installers are skilled at working with limited bathroom layouts. Here's how they make the most of your space. Replacing existing tubs or showers. Most walk-in tubs are designed to fit directly where your current bathtub is located, minimizing the need for major renovations. Optimizing layouts. If your bathroom is especially tight, installers can reposition fixtures like sinks or vanities to free up room. Using corner installations. Some walk-in tubs are built for corner placement, which saves space while still providing full functionality. These strategies ensure your new tub integrates seamlessly with your bathroom's design. Safety and comfort in limited spaces. In smaller bathrooms, accessibility and ease of movement become even more important. Walk-in tubs are designed with features that make them safe and comfortable without requiring a large footprint. Ergonomic seating ensures you don't need to lower yourself to the floor, reducing strain. Quick drain technology minimizes waiting time after a bath, even in compact models. Handheld showerheads allow you to bathe comfortably whether seated or standing. These details provide peace of mind for Foley homeowners, especially in bathrooms where space is already at a premium. Professional installation matters. Walk-in tub installation is not a DIY project, especially in small bathrooms. Professional installers ensure proper measurements so the tub fits perfectly into your space. Plumbing adjustments for safe, efficient water flow and drainage. Electrical connections for hydrotherapy or heated features. Secure installation to prevent leaks or structural issues. By hiring experienced professionals in Foley, you can be confident your walk-in tub will function safely and efficiently for years to come. Final thoughts. Small bathrooms don't have to limit your ability to enjoy the comfort and safety of a walk-in tub. With compact designs, smart layouts, and expert installation, walk-in tub installation in Foley is an ideal solution for homeowners with limited space. You'll gain a safe, accessible, and relaxing bathing experience while making the most of every inch of your bathroom. If you're ready to upgrade your bathroom, consider exploring walk-in tub options designed for smaller spaces. With the right choice, you'll enjoy both peace of mind and spa-like comfort, all without the need for a large bathroom.